I did a nice little improvement to my blaster designing workspace, whatever. Um, for the past few months, I have been, whenever I need to test how strong a spring that I'm trying out is, just by hand feel, I've been using this old prototype piece from one of the old alchemists in this piece. And I've just been doing this and kind of squeezing it together constantly. It's not quite as refined as I was hoping. So, today I modeled some improved bits. This is a piece of CPVC with a printed foot on it that is screwed through. So you jam this through there, and now you take this disc, stick that over that, then you can properly feel how strong the spring is. And this is way better than using this thing. This setup is actually made for human hands to be pushing against instead of, the plunger being meant for inside of a blaster. So yeah, both of these discs have the same geometry as the backside of my plungers. Has this little raised edge here to keep the spring inside of the circle. So that will work for long shot sized springs as well. But this is like a K25-ish spring from a Colonel Wasp's Firefly. Or sorry, not a Firefly, a Colonel Wasp 76, the AB. This is one of the upgrade springs for that. I took apart my Colonel Wasp 76, and it has a spring in it already, and I don't need the 2 upgrade springs that came with it, so I'm using them in other projects. But I needed to feel how heavy it was in comparison to K25 or 7088, so finally whipped this up. So this is very nice, feels pretty good, and lets me test how strong each spring is, way better than I previously was able to. And then this should be able to fit full-length K25 or 7088 or all that stuff, like Caliburn-sized springs as well. Should fill up this area. And if I need to test anything super long in the future for whatever reason, I can just get a longer piece of CPVC, which I have across the room, drill a new hole in it, and swap out this piece and keep this bottom bit. So yeah, there is my new spring testing thing. Yeah, just figured someone might find this interesting to see. So now it has been shown. Yeah, that's all that I've got for you today. Bye-bye.